So, is a Le Creuset Dutch oven actually worth hundreds of dollars, or can a $50 Lodge do the exact same job? Before we break down the data, hit that subscribe button right now to join our community of smart shoppers as we head toward our 1,000 subscriber goal. Here's the real breakdown. Le Creuset has been around since 1925 and is known for its premium enameled cast iron, incredible heat distribution, and durability that can literally last decades. Plus, the enamel means no seasoning, no rust, and easy cleanup. But here's the part most people don't tell you. Performance-wise, both pots cook really well. Whether you're making stew, baking bread, or braising meat, a Lodge will give you very similar results in everyday cooking. So the food itself doesn't magically taste better just because the pot is more expensive. The differences show up over time, where Le Creuset is lighter, more refined, and its enamel resists chipping, staining, and wear much better. With a tighter lid fit that helps retain moisture and a lighter interior that makes it easier to monitor browning, while Lodge is heavier, more affordable, and still highly functional, but may show wear faster with long-term use. So the truth is, you're not paying 5 times more for 5 times better cooking. You're paying for longevity, consistency, and design, which means if you cook occasionally and just want something that works, Lodge is more than enough. But if you cook all the time and want something that could last 20 years or more, then Le Creuset actually starts to make sense, because at the end of the day, they're both great pots. One is just built like a long-term investment. Check that pinned comment for the current deal. I will see you in the next one.